a zone where the code's elite. Java's the name, can't accept defeat. Sun born, oracle raised, built for the future, never out of phase. Object-oriented, structure tight, classes and objects day and night. Public static, void, I ignite. Hello world, shining bright in the light. Code once, run it anywhere. From phones to the cloud, we out of there. JVMs, the magic layer, turns bytecode to software slayer. Strong type, so bugs don't bite. Garbage collected, memories right. Try catch blocks when things go wrong. Java's exception game is strong. From Android apps to back-end dreams. Spring Boot running, enterprise schemes. AES threads, the whole 9 yards. Write in Java, collect them stars. Security lock, multi-thread unblock. GUI swinging, Java FX rock. Portable code, tick-tock, tick-tock. Java, not just a name on a cup, it's the language that levels you up. From novice kid